students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is image, list and hyperlink in HTML. Learning aims. After studying this chapter, you will be able to insert an image in a web page, create an ordered and unordered list, create definition list and create hyperlink. Now recalling some basic tags of HTML, ये सिर्फ आपका एक समराइज्ड फॉर्म है, पहले भी आप ये पढ़ चुके हैं. ये आपको एक रिकॉल बता रहा है कुछ ऐसे बेसिक टैग्स जो आपके HTML में होते हैं. So tags and then its descriptions. HTML. This tag defines the beginning and the end of the HTML document. Every HTML document must contain an HTML tag. Syntax is HTML, certain dots, and again then you have two angular brackets, and between you have one slash and HTML. Then you have head. This tag is used to define the header of the HTML document. Syntax is two angular brackets, in between you will have head, and then you have two angular brackets. In the beginning you'll have one forward slash and the head written in between. Then you have a title. This tag is used to give the title of the HTML document. This is always written between the two angular, you'll have two angular brackets. In between you'll have head, and then whatever you want to write in the middle. Then you have again one angular bracket forward slash head, and then again enclosed by another angular bracket. Body. The syntax of this is head, title, then again title and the head. The body, this is a very important tag. It contains all the contents of the HTML documents. It has the following attributes. The background, used to set an image as the background of the web page. BG color, used to set the background color of the web page. Text, used to specify the text color. Syntax, the body background, file name, BG color is equals to color, text is equals to color, and then the body. Then you have the body. इसमें आपके पास background color, text और syntax ऐसे आपके पास attributes होते हैं. Then you have the P tag. This tag is used to specify paragraphs. It always gives one line space before starting the paragraphs. It has an align attribute. By using that, paragraph can be aligned left, center or right of the page. Syntax is angular bracket P align is equals to left forward slash right forward slash center. Then you have enclosed by the double apostrophe commas. Then you will enclose it with another tag. Then you have the opening tag forward slash P and the closing tag. Then you have the BR. It is also called the line break tag. It breaks the line at the point where it appears. The text immediately after the tag BR tag appears in the new line without inserting a blank line in the middle. Syntax is BR. Then you have HN. This is called the headline tag, in which N stands for heading numbers. That is, HTML allows 6 levels of headings: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. And H1 is the largest size of the heading. Syntax is H1 tag and then H1 the closing tag. So this is your HN, in which N stands for the number of headings, and the heading tag lets you 6 टैग्स. इसमें आपके पास H1, H2, H3, H4 और H5, H6 तक के टैग होते हैं. H1 is the largest size of the heading. Then you have B, I and U tags. These tags are used to format the text. The P tag makes the text bold. The I tag tilts the text, and the U tag gives a line below the text. Syntax is again opening B tag and closing B tag. Syntax, then another one syntax is opening I tag, closing I tag. Syntax for another one is opening U and the closing U tag. So these tags allows you to format the text bold, italics or underline करने के लिए. Opening B tags, closing B tags, and then the entire text gets formatted in the bold content. Then you have SUP and SUB syntaxes. The SUP tag is used to display the text as a superscript, whereas the sub tag is used to display the text as a subscript. Syntax for super text is opening SUP text and the closing SUP tag, and the syntax for subscript is opening sub tag and the closing sub tag. Then you have HR. This tag allows a horizontal line through the part of the page to divide it into 2 sections. It consists of the following attributes: size, used to specify the height of the horizontal line; width, used to specify the width of horizontal line; no shade, used to specify that horizontal rule should render in one solid line. Syntax: HR size is equals to value, width is equals to value, no shade. तो size यानी कि हाइट और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन का साइज या स्पेसिफाई करता है विड्थ में, विड्थ स्पेसिफाई करता है नो शेड में, वन सॉलिड लाइन आनी चाहिए, कोई शेडिंग नहीं आनी चाहिए. एंड सिंटैक्स इज गिवन हियर, HR size is equals to value, width is equals to value which is no shade. Now HTML or hypertext markup language can be used for displaying information in a definite manner as per our requirements. Numbers and bullets are used to give proper form to tables. HTML or the hypertext markup language is the basis for building up पेजेस एंड वेब एप्लीकेशंस. तो ये जो आपका HTML या हाइपर टेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज जो है, ये आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन को डेफिनेट मैनर में हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग डिस्प्ले करता है. नंबर्स और बुलेट्स भी आप यूज कर सकते हो टू गिव प्रॉपर फॉर्म्स टू द टेबल्स, एंड दिस HTML लैंग्वेज इज द बेसिस फॉर बिल्डिंग वेब पेजेस एंड वेब एप्लीकेशंस. The language for describing the structure of web pages is HTML. It helps you to publish documents and data online with headings, text, tables, lists, photos, etc. Create forms for managing transactions, for searching information, making reservations, ordering products, etc. Accommodate spreadsheets, video clips, sound clips and other applications directly in the documents. तो इसमें आप HTML की मदद से photos, lists, tables ये सब अपना documents में publish कर सकते हो. Information को आप transaction वगैरह के लिए forms create कर सकते हो, and you can also accommodate spreadsheets, audio clips and video clips into these also. Now list item tag. The list item tag is used to display different items in the form of a list. It is used along with the unordered and ordered list and does not require a closing tag. Its syntax is li items whose list has to be listed. In HTML, two primary lists are brought to use, ordered and unordered lists. Let's discuss them further. तो list item tag में आपका opening tag होता है या only tag होता है li, and इसमें आपके पास ordered और unordered lists दो तरीके होते हैं. Two primary lists when they are brought to use. Let's discuss them. So number one is your ordered list. This type of list is used to present different items or a list of items in a particular form. All the items presented will have numbers or indent along with them. Whenever the list is viewed in a browser, the first item will start with 1. If we want to give specified numbers to the items of the list, then we use different attributes. तो ये जो आपकी ordered list होती है, this is used and to present different items or a list of items in a particular form. सारे के सारे जो items होते हैं उनमें आपके numbers उनके साथ साथ आपके present होते हैं. Then you have OL tag with type attribute. The type of numbering can also be changed with the syntax OL type is equals to style of numbering tag. For example, the syntax OL type is equals to I tag will start the numbering of items with Roman numbers. You can start numbering with different characters such as A, capital A, small a, 1, etc. तो आपका यहाँ पे OL टैग का जो टाइप का जो आपका एट्रीब्यूट होता है, इसको आप चेंज कर सकते हो. सिंटैक्स आपका गिवन है. यहाँ पे आपके हमेशा टैग्स के ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग एक एंगुलर ब्रैकेट से होती है. OL टाइप विच इज इक्वल्स टू स्टाइल ऑफ नंबरिंग. द एग्जाम्पल आर द सिंटैक्स विच इज द OL टाइप विच इज इक्वल्स टू स्मॉल I, कैपिटल A, स्मॉल a, नंबर्स कुछ भी आप इन सिंटैक्स के बीच में डाल सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल 1. So you have the output, 7 wonders of the world, Great Wall of China, then you have Chichen Itza, El Castillo, Petra, Machu Picchu, ये सारे आपके 7 wonders of the world है. Now OL tag with start attribute. We can also begin the numbering of the items according to our preference, in which case we write the syntax OL start tag is equals to starting a number of a preference tag. तो numbering जो आप items की करते हो वो अपने preference के हिसाब से आप कर सकते हो. By just giving the case we write the syntax. वही angular brackets आप open up करोगे. OL start is equals to दो आप commas ऊपर लगाओगे. Starting a number of a preference डाल दोगे वो preference. Again आप दोनों commas से inverted commas से उसको बंद करोगे एंड देन वापस पूरे टैग को कंप्लीट कर दोगे आप बाय पुटिंग अ एंगुलर ब्रैकेट. देन यू हैव द एग्जांपल 2. HTML head title tag using lists, then title, body, BG color is green, then you have H1, U means underline, stationery items, then the closing tag, then you have H2, then you have OL type is equals to I, start is equals to 4, then you have the listed, then you have pen. हमेशा लिस्टेड का क्या होता है, ओपनिंग हमेशा दो एंगुलर ब्रैकेट से होती है LI, बीच में आप स्पेसिफाई कर दोगे जैसे यहाँ पेन स्पेसिफाई किया हुआ है, और एंड आपका होगा एंगुलर ब्रैकेट /LI एंड देन द क्लोजिंग टैग. Then you have opening LI tag pencil and closing LI tag. Then you have opening LI tag eraser, closing LI tag, opening LI tag sharpener, closing LI tag, open LI tag notebook, closing LI tag, opening LI tag diary, closing LI tag, opening LI tag ruler, closing LI tag. Then you have opening LI geometry box, closing LI tag. Then you have the angular bracket / OL, then a closed bracket, then again a forward bracket, forward angular bracket / H2, and then the closing angular bracket. Then you have the body and the HTML. Output will be stationary items which are 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th in the numbers, and pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, notebook, diary, ruler, and geometry box. Then you have the unordered list. The items in the unordered list are displayed with bullets. This list is suitable when the items to be displayed do not have to be in a particular order. Disk, 2 brackets is the bullet added to the items present in the list by default. If a type attribute is not specified, then the UL tag and UL closing tags are used for applying this tag. तो ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग टैग्स में क्या क्या यूज होता है वो आपको पता चल चुका है. ओपनिंग टैग में हमेशा 2 एंगुलर ब्रैकेट आते हैं, बीच में आप स्पेसिफाई करते हो. क्लोजिंग टैग में एक एंगुलर ब्रैकेट / बीच में उस टैग का नाम और फिर क्लोज एंगुलर ब्रैकेट, इसे बोलते हैं क्लोजिंग टैग. अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट होती है जहां पे आपको कोई भी नंबरिंग अपने ऑर्डर्स में नहीं चाहिए होती. एग्जाम्पल 3, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिंटैक्स इज ओपनिंग UL tag items and the closing UL tag. Now example 3 is HTML tag, head tag, title opening tag using unordered list, and the closing title tag. Then you have opening body tag BG color is equals to in between the 2 inverted commas the aqua, which is the color, and then the closing angular bracket. Then you have opening H1 tag, closing U tag, critically endangered animals, and then the closing U tag and the closing H1 tag. Then you have the opening H3 tag, open UL tag, then you have open LI tag, Javan rhino, closing L1 tag. Then you have opening LI tag, Amur leopard, closing LI tag. Then you have open LI tag, Sunda island tiger, closing LI tag. Open LI tag, Saula, closing LI tag. Opening LI tag, Tanapuli orangutan, closing LI tag. Then you have open LI tag, mountain gorillas, closing LI tags. Then you have closing UL tag, closing H3 tag, closing body tag, and closing HTML tag. The output will be critically endangered animals, and the list of all the animals not specified with the numbers will be given to you. Now we can also specify the type of bullet that we want to add to the list while writing an HTML program. There are different types of bullets such as disk, circle and square. अब आपको अगर अपने bullets को भी specify करना है जो अपनी list में आप add on करना चाहते हैं, you have a number of them, for example disk, circle or square. Now syntax is opening UL tag, type is equals to in between 2 inverted commas the type of bullet, and the closing UL tag. Example 4, HTML tag, head tag, opening title using L list, closing title tag, opening body BG color in between the inverted commas the color which is silver, and then the tag will be closed. Then you have open H1 tag, open U tag, my friends list, closing U tag, closing H1 tag. Then you have opening H2 tag, girls, closing H2 tag. Then you have open UL type is equals to inverted commas के बीच में disk, और फिर आप angular bracket से tag को close कर देंगे. So example number 4 is HTML opening tag, head tag. Then you have opening title tag using L list, then closing title tag. Body BG color in between the inverted commas the silver, and the tag will be closed. Then you have the opening H1 color, H1 tag, opening U tag, my friends list, closing U and H1 tag. Then you have opening H2 tag, girls, closing H2 tag. Then you have opening UL type is equals to in between inverted commas disk, and the tag will be closed. Then opening L1 tag, Seema, closing L1 tag. Open L1 tag, Priyanka, closing L1 tag and closing UL tag. Then you have opening H2 tag, boys, closing H2 tag. Then you have the UL type tag is equals to in between inverted commas you will write circle and you will close the tag. Then you have opening LI tag, Granth, and then closing LI tag. Then you have LI opening tag, Shohara, closing LI tag and UL tag. Then you have opening H2 tag, my parents are my best friends, H2 tag, closing tag. Opening UL type is equals to in between inverted commas square, and the tag will be closed. Then you have opening LI tag, Suresh, in brackets father, and the closing LI tag. Then you have opening LI tag, Sumit, in brackets mother, closing LI tag and UL tag, and lastly the closing body and the closing HTML tags. The output will be my friends list, which is girls में है Seema, Priyanka, boys Granth and Shaurya, my parents are my best friends, Suresh is the father and Suniti is the mother. So these are the examples of your different kinds of syntaxes. Now there is activity time. Create the following web page using the HTML code. अब ये web pages आपको बनाने हैं by using the HTML codes that is given to you, and you have to do it on your own using your computer devices. Now nested lists. At times it may be necessary to nest a list within another list. For example, you make a list of shops to visit and within each shop you may enlist the items to be bought from each. अब कभी कभी लिस्ट के अंदर लिस्ट बनानी होती है. ऐसे कभी कभी आप मार्केट जाते हैं तो पहले तो आप ये लिस्ट बनाते हैं कौन सी शॉप्स पे जाना है, फिर आप फर्दर लिस्ट के अंदर लिस्ट बनाते हैं कि कौन सी शॉप से क्या क्या सामान लेना है. So you have shop 1 tag, which is the opening tag in between two angular brackets. Then in between two angular brackets, you will have item 1 from shop 1, then item 2 from shop 1. Then shop 2, item 1 from shop 2, item 2 from shop 2. Then you have shop 3, the list of shops from list. And the list of items from shops make up another list within a list. अब ये सारे syntaxes आप follow करोगे तो आप list के अंदर एक list अपनी बना लोगे. Now example 5 is opening HTML tag, opening head tag, opening title tag, result, closing title and closing head tag. Then opening body BG color is equals to in between inverted commas the color which is yellow, and then you will close the tag. Opening center tag. Then you have opening H1, opening U tag, National Cyber Olympiad NCO result. Then closing U, closing H1 and closing center tag. Then you have opening H3 tag, opening UL type is equals to in between the inverted commas disk, and then you will close the tags. Opening LI tag. Then maths NCO results, closing LI tag. Then you have opening OL type is equals to in between inverted commas number 1, and then you will close the tag. Opening LI tag, maths NCO results, and then the closing LI tag. OL type is equals to 1 in between the inverted commas, and then you will close the tag. Then you have LI opening tag, Rahul Devgan, closing LI tag. Opening LI tag, Gurpreet Bhalla, and then closing LI tag. Then you will have the closing OL tag. Now opening LI tag, science NCO results, closing LI tag. Then you have open OL type is equals to 1 in between inverted commas, then you will close the tag. Then you have opening LI tag, Nupur Tejpal, closing LI tag. Opening LI tag, Sonakshi Tikri, closing LI tag. Then closing OL, closing UL, closing H3, closing body, and closing HTML tag. The output will be National Cyber Olympiad NCO result, maths NCO results. Number 1 is Rahul Devgan, second is Gurpreet Bhalla, and science NCO results, Nupur Tejpal, and second is Sonakshi Tikri. Description list. The list involves a term and a piece of brief information about it. Opening DL and closing DL tags are used at the start and at the end of the when using a description list. The opening DL tag is used to along with the opening DT tag, definition term used for a definition defining a term, and DD opening tag, definition tag used for defining all terms.a. तो आपकी डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट आती है जो कि आपकी डीएल ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग टैग्स के बीच में यूज करी जाती है टू स्टार्ट एंड एंड. एंड वाइल यू आप डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट में ये टैग्स डालते हो, एक डीएल ओपनिंग टैग होता है जो कि आपका डीटी किसी भी डेफिनेशन की टर्म को डिफाइन करने के लिए टैग बीच में डाला जाता है. एग्जाम्पल 6, opening HTML tag, opening head tag, opening title tag using definition list, closing title and head tag. Then body opening tag, BG color is equals to in between the inverted commas violet, and then you will close the tag. Open DL tag, open DT tag, Alameda, closing DT tag. Then opening DD tag, a public walk shaded with trees. Then the closing DD tag, opening DT tag, Mott, closing the DT tag. Then you have the opening DD tag, a clump of trees in a prairie land, and closing DD tag. Open DD tag, Bombinate, and the closing DT tag. Open DD tag to make a humming or buzzing sound, then the closing DD tag. Open DT tag, Frizzin, then the close DT tag. Open DD tag, a passing sensation of excitement, and then the closing of DD tag. Then the close DL tag, close body tag, and close HTML tag. The output of all these syntaxes will be Almeida, a public walk shaded with trees, Mott, a clump of trees in a prairie land, Bombinate to make a humming or buzzing sound, and Frizzin, a passing sensation of excitement. Then you have the image tag, IMG tag. This tag is used to embed images on a web page. It supports various formats of images like graphics interchange format, GIF, joint photographic experts group, JPEG, etc. GIF is limited to an 8-bit palette or 256 colors. This makes the GIF format suitable for storing graphics with relatively few colors such as simple diagrams, shapes, logos and cartoon style images, whereas JPEG is the best format for photographers. It contains 1 million colors. The image tag does not have a closing टैग. अब आपका IMG यानी कि इमेज टैग आता है जिसकी मदद से आप GIF, JPEG इन सब फॉर्मेट्स में चीज़ें बना सकते हो. GIF इज लिमिटेड टू एन 8-bit पैलेट और 256 कलर्स एंड इमेज टैग का कोई भी क्लोजिंग टैग नहीं होता है. Now you have certain image tag attributes and the descriptions. Align. This attribute aligns the image top, bottom, middle, left or right. Then border. This attribute specifies a border around the image. It takes the value in pixels. SRC. This is used to define the path of the image. The value given to this attribute is the form of a URL. Width. This is used to set the width of image on the page in pixels. And alt. This attribute contains the alternate text for an image. It appears in the web page if the image does not appear. अब आपका align आता है. Top, bottom, middle, left और right को ये पेज को align कर देता है. Border में आपका border specify हो जाता है. SRC में आपका जो image का path होता है वो डिफाइन हो जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ URL. विड्थ में आपका इमेज का विड्थ और पेज का जो विड्थ होता है वो डिटरमाइन हो जाता है. एंड ऑल्ट में यू हैव इट कंटेन्स द ऑल्टरनेट टेक्स्ट फॉर एन इमेज. नाउ यू हैव अ सिंटैक्स. Opening IMG SRC is equals to in between inverted commas URL. Align is equals to right. Border is equals to inverted commas value. Width is equals to in between two inverted commas value. Alt is equals to in between two inverted commas alternate text. The tag will be closed. And the example is example 7. Using width and height attributes. Opening HTML tag, opening head tag, opening title tag, hide with attributes, closing title tag, then closing head tag. Opening body BG color is equals to in between inverted commas the orange and the tag will be closed. Then you have opening H3 tag, opening U tag and opening I tag using first the height and width attributes of image tag, then the closing I, closing U and closing H3 tag. Then you have the open B tag, open P tag. India is rich in flora and fauna. Closing P, closing P tag. Then you have BR, both the opening tags. Then you have the opening IMG SRC is equals to in between inverted commas lotus.jpg. Height is equals to in between inverted commas 300. Width is equals to in between inverted commas 300. Align is equals to in between inverted commas right and the tag will be closed. Lotel is the national flower of India. Closing B tag, closing body and closing HTML tag. What will be the output? Using the height and width attributes of the image tag, India is rich in the flora and fauna and lotus is the national flower of India. So following the following tags, the following output you will be able to get. Then you have the alt attribute. The alt attribute contains the alternate text for an image. It appears on the web page if the image does not appear. अब आता है आपका alt attribute. Alt attribute में आपके alternate text जो होते हैं images के वो present होते हैं. Example 8. Opening HTML tag, opening head tag, opening title, alt attribute, closing title tag, closing head tag. Then opening body BG color tag is equals to in between inverted commas sky blue and the tag will be closed. And then you have open H3 tag, opening U tag using the alt attribute of image tag, closing U tag and closing H3 tag. This is our pride, our national flag and the opening BR tag. Then you have opening B tag, our national flag has 3 colors, saffron, white and green. Closing BR tag, then you have 2 opening tags of BR. Then you have opening tag of IMG SRC is equals to in between inverted commas the national flag.png. Alt is equals to in between inverted commas it is our national flag and the tag will be closed. Closing font tag, closing body tag, closing HTML tag. Following all these syntaxes, the output will be using the alt attribute of image tag. This is our pride, our national flag. Our national flag has 3 colors, saffron, white and green and it is our national flag. Then you have the A tag. Hyperlinks are the links in a web page which on clicking connect the users to other parts of the same web page or other related web page. A hyperlink may be a text or a picture. The A tag stands for the anchor tag. It is used to create hyperlinks in the web pages. It has a very important attribute known as href that takes the URL of the web page which is to be linked. When you click on any hyperlink, you will be transferred to the linked page. The syntax is opening tag A href is equals to in between inverted commas URL, the tag will be closed, hyperlink text and the closing A tag. So A tag stands for the anchor tag. ये आपका hyperlinks जो आपके web pages में होते हैं, एक web page आप खोलते हो, बीच में एक link आता है, उस पर क्लिक करते हो, आपको दूसरे पेज पे लेके जाता है. तो this is called as the hyperlink, वो आपका A tag से बनता है. It is a very important attribute known as href. And इसका क्या syntax होता है? Tag will be opened, A, href is equals to in between inverted commas URL, the tag will be closed, hyperlink text बीच में आ जाएगा and then the closing A tag. Activity time, create the following web page and please do it yourselves. Now you have the example 8. Opening HTML tag, opening head tag, opening title tag, use of opening A tag, then you have the closing title tag. Closing head tag, opening body BG color is equals to in between inverted commas the orange, then the closing tag, then you will close the tag. Then you have opening H1, opening U tag, our national flag, then the closing U and closing H1 tag. Then you have opening H2 tag, the national flag of India is a tricolor rectangular flag, then the closing H2 tag. Then you have opening H3 tag, it has deep saffron, kesari at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom in equal proportions, and the closing H3 tag. Then you have opening image SRC is equals to in between inverted commas national flag dot JPG. Border is equals to in between inverted commas 10, a line is equals to in between inverted commas right, and the tag will be closed. Then you have opening tag href is equals to in between inverted commas you will have the hyperlink, which is https:// noindia.india.gov.in/my-india-my-trite/india-tricolor.php. In between the inverted commas and the tag will be closed. Click here to know more about the national flag and then the closing anchor tag, closing body and closing HTML tag. By following the this entire syntaxes, the output will be our national flag. The national flag of India is a tricolor rectangular flag. It has deep saffron kesari at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom in equal proportions. And then you will have the hyperlink. Click here to know more about the national flag. This is the hyperlink जो आपके anchor tags से आप किसी भी web page में डालते हो. Now let's sum up that this type of list is used to present different items or a list of items in a particular form. The list item tag is used to display different items in the form of a list. The items in the unordered list are displayed with bullets. Description list involves a term and a piece of brief information about it. The image tag is used to embed images on a web page. Hyperlinks are the links in a web page which on clicking connect the users to other parts of the same web page or other related web pages. So this entire thing dealt with your HTML, your hypertext markup language. How do you insert different kinds of tags, syntaxes to add on certain features of this application. Now explore yourself. Multiple choice questions. Which of the following tags are used to start and end a description list? And this is your option number A. Fill in the blanks. The syntax for list item tag is opening tag li item then closing li tag. Write T for true and F for false against each statement. The P tag is used to create a new paragraph. Not correct. Critical thinking. Suman wants to insert an image in HTML. She wants to display the image with a border. Suggest to her the attribute she should use to do so. तो सुमन को अपने HTML को use करते हुए image डालना है HTML में. क्या-क्या steps उनको follow करने चाहिए? Read the entire chapter again and help Suman. Answer the following questions. What is the difference between an ordered and unordered list? Basic difference क्या है? Ordered list में आपको एक chronology चाहिए होती है. Numbering you want 1, 2, 3, 4 इस way में चाहिए होता है. Unordered list में ऐसा कोई भी chronology follow नहीं होता है. Now take fun. Find and encircle 6 meaningful terms extracted from this chapter. See across and downwards. अब इसी chapter में से 6 बहुत ही important words इस word maze में हैं. Find it out across, downwards and just encircle them. And with that, we are done with this chapter. Go through the entire chapter properly and rest of the exercise questions. Please do it yourselves.